My name is Ziggy Corinthian, the poet that knows it, and I'm a carefree mind, and because of that I wrote lots of poems, and this one is called Jigsaw Puzzle Tree. Now there's a woods in Western Under Penyard where this tree is, and it literally has little jigsaw puzzles. Well, they're not quite, but you know what I mean. And my brother-in-law actually informed me of the name of the tree, but this was the poem that resulted from it. And it reads out, oh, well, wait a minute, I also do artwork, so that's my piercing thorns, which is taken from a line from it. So this one is one opening of a patchwork plateau with angels and beasts, winding, meandering, descending and rising. Tubular orange clad in dark clothed circles, from tap nails rising to miniature mushrooms. Orbital, spiky, elongated spheres. Orchards bearing heavenly fruit. Oh my dear, dear, dear. Sweet chirrupping of perched plumes. Carpets of ferns, fronds messed with piercing thorns, and heavenly stars gazing across splinters on its rays. Now, very simple, but I hope you like that. Thanks for listening.